download my free legato course right now and learn to play fast in the fastest way possible. It's 4 core exercises that you need to focus on in order to reach the highest level of mastery. And then I'm going to give you the 3 sub-skills of legato. Once you master these 3 little skills, then the overall skill of playing very fast runs using hammer-ons and pull-offs will be very easy. So go sign up right now and get immediate access for free. See you in the course. Hello and welcome to this little track. We have a riff playing in C blues. So of course we can use the C blues scale or the C minor pentatonic. And we can put the C Dorian minor on top of that, which is just the same as the B flat major scale. We can use the C minor triad to spice things up. Or we can use the C major 7th, dominant 7th arpeggio. Finally, we can of course use the C diminished arpeggio. It's not in the Jam Frank video, but it sounds a little off, a little weird. The big challenge with the track like this is the rhythm. So you have to keep it up, right? And a good way to move your way into that is to strum the notes. So you basically just strum one note and you mute all other notes with the remaining fingers just behind your 3rd finger there. So, right, like that. So you try to keep it up, just stay with that strumming. Or pick something very simple like that's how it starts, that skill, building that skill. And just continue doing that. Then expand it. So that's it. Have fun with it. Here it comes again. Bye.